Welcome to lesson 2, which is DAT interface. Before I go into details showing you the interface and talking about the different subscription levels, please, if you haven't watched the video or the lesson number 1, which is history and evolution, please go back and watch. This is very, very important. Now, today we are diving deep into the subscription levels offered by DAT Load Boards. Understanding these options that are available to you it's crucial, because the right plan can significantly impact the efficiency of your operations, whether you are just starting or maybe you are a seasoned dispatcher, maybe you are a carrier, maybe you're a broker. So let's begin with the subscription levels. So this is the domain, meaning you go to www.dat.com/loadboards. So if you scroll down, we mainly will covering today for carriers and dispatchers. I picked carriers for the purpose of this training. Let's begin with DAT1 standard. At the time of recording this video, this subscription level priced at $45 per month. This entry-level plan is tailored for beginners or small carriers who need the basics, meaning unlimited searching, posting trucks, and basic broker credit data. And we'll be talking about more into details, so don't be panicked. Like, I don't know what broker credit data means, what trucking or truck posting means, unlimited searches. I'll be going and breaking down every single feature in this training. So we'll be go deeper on this training. So just bear with me. With this plan, you can easily post your truck and find loads, while the mobile app ensures you can manage these tasks from anywhere. That means mobile app is available to you for download. This plan is perfect for those who are just starting in dispatching. Maybe you're a carrier, giving you the essential tools without overwhelming you with too much data. And we'll be talking about much more in details about the data. For example, if you're a small carrier with a single truck, the ability to post your availability and quickly search for loads can keep your operation running smoothly. And as I said, I will be showing you examples. So the mobile app is particularly useful when you are on the road and you need to stay connected to the marketplace. So that being said, this is DAT1 Select. So we're going into moving the second. Next, we have DAT Enhanced, as you can see over here. DAT Enhanced right now priced at $85 per month. This plan adds more data-driven tools. As you can see, the more you pay, the more tools you have, like 30-day average lane rates and multiple search capabilities. Again, I'll be talking about more, and I'll be showing you exactly how to use multiple search capabilities. So just stay with me. It's designed for those looking to expand their operations with more of a informed decision making using the data. So the ability to search for multiple loads across multiple criteria and the inclusion of a Canadian loads broaden your opportunities. Yes, it also has the Canadian loads. So this will make it's a great choice for those who wanted to scale up. For instance, if you're managing multiple trucks, you will benefit from enhanced search features, which allow you to filter loads by specific criteria that will ensure you are getting the best deals. The 30-day average lane rates provide you valuable benchmark. That's what it is. It's the 30-day average lane rates, helping you to price your services competitively while maintaining the profitability. And we'll talk more on this one. Up next, we have DAT1 Pro. For those aiming to maximize profitability, DAT1 Pro at $135 per month offers even more. And again, keep this in mind. at the time I'm recording this video, it's, these are the prices right now available to you, but it might change. And I think it will change, and there are reasons for this. And I'll be talking more as we go deeper into the training. So the 15-day average lane rates give you up-to-date market insight. Very, very important. While the tri-haul routing tool helps you to find profitable backhaul opportunities, turning what would be empty miles into additional revenue. So we'll be talking about more empty miles. We also develop internally Tri-Hub. That's another tool. We'll be comparing Tri-Hub versus Tri-Haul. Consider this scenario where you are dispatching a truck that needs to return home empty. With the Tri-Haul tool, you can identify an additional load that fits into the route, converting that empty leg into a paying trip. This tool alone obviously can significantly boost your bottom line by ensuring that your trucks are always hauling profitable loads. And again, I used something like empty leg, or if you're not sure about this, if you're not sure about Tri-Haul, bear with me. We have more training coming your way, and we're going into details. So up next, let's talk about DAT Select. I think this is by far the most advanced load boards out there in the market today. Now, DAT Select priced at $180 per month. This plan includes advanced tools like market conditions tool, which allows you to evaluate demand in specific regions. I'll be demonstrating in upcoming videos, and the ability to manage preferred or blocked companies, and that feature also available, ensuring your work only with the most reliable partners, meaning shippers and brokers. So imagine you are in highly competitive market. If you are in a flatbed market, I will give you an example. Let's say it's a Houston, Texas. So the market conditions tool lets you see where demand is peaking, allows you to position your trucks where you are needed the most. So this not only increases your chances of securing a load, but also ensures that you are capitalizing on high demand areas. And that will lead to better rates and high revenue, and I think strong negotiation capabilities with brokers. Very, very important. But let's talk about DAT Office. This is for larger carriers, obviously. In dispatchers managing multiple fleets, DAT Office at $295 per month is the most comprehensive option that DAT has. It includes contract lane rate information, which is essential for long-term planning, and the Lane Makers tool, which is a very cool tool that they developed, which helps you identify and secure the best lanes for your operations. So we'll be talking about Lane Makers just a little bit, but then I'll be talking about and comparing contract rate versus spot market rates. So we'll be talking about more in upcoming videos. For large operation, being a trucking company or a dispatching company, having access to contract lane rates in the Lane Makers tool is invaluable. It's very awesome tool. So these features allow you to plan your routes with precision, looking into profitable lanes over time and ensuring that your fleet is operating at the maximum efficiency. For this training, we have chosen DAT Select because it offers balance of essential tools and advanced features that are critical for successful dispatching and trucking operations. With access to the market conditions tool alone, and again, I made a comprehensive, in-detail training about market condition tools. By the way, I have asked somebody from the DAT, or actually working with DAT for over 25 years. So I had a training with them, and I'll also be including that training in upcoming modules. So you can make informed decisions by using these tools and also by evaluating regional demand, which is very important. And that way you will ensure that you're always in the right place at the right time. So additionally, the ability to manage preferred and blocked companies, that is a feature by DAT, and it streamlines your workflow, helping you focus on most profitable relationships, shippers and carriers. So let's say you are dispatching in a highly competitive market. The market conditions tool allows you to pinpoint where demand is highest, while the preferred companies feature ensures you are working with reliable partners such as brokers and shippers. These tools are vital for optimizing your operations and maximizing the profitability. By choosing DAT One Select, you are equipping yourself with the right tools, obviously, to stay competitive and make data-driven decisions, which is very important in today's market. Now that we explained why DAT One Select is the focus of this training, let's dive into the interface. But before we go there, know that we'll explore how to use the DAT's market conditions tool to find the best loads and demonstrate how to manage your preferred and blocked companies. These features obviously will help you stay competitive and efficient in your day-to-day operations, which is very, very important in today's market. As we navigate through the select, meaning DAT One Select interface, pay close attention how these tools can enhance your daily workflow. We'll guide you step by step through each feature in upcoming videos, ensuring you are fully equipped to leverage the full potential of DAT One Select or any of these subscription levels. And from evaluating market conditions to managing your company relationships, these tools are designed to give you the competitive edge that you're looking for. I want you to understand this. Understanding and choosing the right subscription level is crucial for your business success. With DAT One Select, you gain access to powerful tools that can help you stay competitive and efficient. And by the way, you can choose any of these, like standard level, enhanced, pro, but know that as you pay more, you have access to more features. That's what it is. So we'll be going into details using DAT One Select, and we're talking about the interface. So if you are ready, let's move on to our hands-on demonstration of a DAT One Select interface. Once you log in, this is what you will see, your dashboard. This is your user interface. And we have the next module, which is module number 2. The entire module is helping you how you can access the load board. I will be talking about the requirements, what you need to have in order to access the load board, who can access the load board, all that good stuff coming your way. This is a basic training just showing you. This is the user interface. On the left, you have your dashboard, search trucks, private loads, searching loads, my loads, private network, my trucks, live support. We'll be talking about these tools that I mentioned, market conditions, trend lines. It's very important. I will be also talking about the DAT directory, how you can find as a dispatcher your carriers, as a carrier, how to find shippers, and obviously brokers that you want to work with. I'll also talking about how you'll be customizing your account. This is very important. Once we come back, you will see on the top we have post truck, search loads, search trucks, and on the right side we have a national load count. So for this specific lesson, keep this as is, meaning we'll keep it simple and we'll expand as we go. On the next lesson, we'll be talking about DAT One Select versus DAT Power. I'll be comparing those two load boards. It's very, very important to know the differences between those load boards. And then last lesson for this module, which is module number 1, is the spot rates versus contract rates. I'll see you there.